What's in the vat? This beaker is full of oil, but there's something else hiding inside. What lurks in the oily depths? We can see things because of light. Light does magically cool things. It makes shadows. It makes us tan. It passes through things. It reflects off of things. What do you notice about light around you? But none of this answers the question of, what's in the vat? This beaker is made out of Pyrex glass and is full of oil. We can see it because of light. I'm going to add some water to it. Pipette, water. Water and oil bend light in different ways, but Pyrex glass and oil bend light the same way. So like magic, the test tube appeared invisible in the oil until I added water. But guess what? There's more than just a test tube in here. So let's finally answer the question of, what's in the vat? Tongs. So there were 4 things in the vat, 3 beakers and 1 test tube. So amazing! Even though this looks like magic, it's really science. Well, that was awesome, but now it's time for me to disappear. Did it work?